Hey there, YouTube. Good evening. Late evening. It's almost 11 o'clock here. And this week at work, me and my boss got into a brief discussion after seeing a news segment about auto insurance laws. Here in Wisconsin, you got to have mandatory auto insurance to operate a motor vehicle in the state. The law started like under 10 years ago. I'm not exactly sure what year it was, but prior to 10 years ago, you didn't need auto insurance to operate a motor vehicle in the state. But now it's the law. You got to have insurance. But the funny thing is, the only times you're supposed to provide proof of auto insurance is when you're pulled over or if you get into a car accident. I suppose if you're financing a vehicle, you got to have proof of insurance because that's what the finance companies want, which is understandable. I don't know how that works. I never financed a vehicle before in my life, considering I paid cash for most of the vehicles I've owned in my life. But yeah, that's screwed up. You go to the DMV, they don't ask for proof of insurance if you're registering a vehicle. No. Do I think this law in Wisconsin of mandatory auto insurance solved the uninsured motorist problem? No. Um, like I said, I mean, you go to the DMV, you don't have to show proof of insurance. The only time you got to show proof of insurance is when you're pulled over or if you get into an accident. Those are the only times. Every state has its unfortunate people. A lot of these unfortunate people, they need transportation to get to work. So they'll buy a cheap piece of garbage under 2,500 bucks just to get them from point A to point B. Um, they may or may not get auto insurance, depending on depending on what their financial situation is. But yeah, I don't think this mandatory auto insurance law solved the uninsured motorist problem. There's always going to be less fortunate people that are looking for transportation that can't afford auto insurance. So yeah, let me know what your laws are in your states below in the comment section. I really would love to see what your laws are. Thank you. I would really appreciate it. Bye.